Hello guys, welcome to Unique's Inside channel once again. In this video tutorial, without me wasting much of our time, I'm going to be revealing the shocking truth you need to know about this site. This platform that you are seeing on your screen, known as Promask. This site claims to be a crypto investment site where you can invest in crypto and allows it to trade on your behalf automatically, and then you get profit or interest every hour or every minute. And now, how possible and legit is this? How real and how fake is this? Find out in this very video. But before we proceed guys, my name is Unique's Insight Updates. All we do here is to give updates on money making. So if it was interest you, please subscribe to my channel. So if you're an online hustler and you want updates on money making, or you want to get free money making updates, we do it on this channel. So just subscribe to my channel and turn on your notification bell. As you do so, God bless you. Now in this video tutorial, I am going to be talking about what this platform known as Promask is all about, and how does it work, and how do you make money from this platform. And then we will be talking about how to withdraw, and then lastly I will be talking if this platform is real, fake, or legit, or scam. All those things you will find out in this video. So now, what is Promask? What is Promask and what is Promask all about? Promask claims to be a crypto investment site, so which allow users to invest in crypto funds in the comfort of their own. So Promask claims to be a crypto investment site which allow users to invest crypto from the comfort of their own without having to analyze the chart or doing anything. All you need to do is to put money in the platform, so automatically the platform will start trading for you with the minimum of $100. Okay, so that is it. And how first of all, for you to start investing and start earning from this platform, you have to be a registered user. And how do you become a registered user? You have to go to your Chrome browser or any other browser of your choice and search for Promask.pro. When you search for Promask.pro, you will see the home page. There you will click on the get started. You will sign up. Once you sign up, then after signing up, you go to your dashboard. This is your dashboard. This is how the dashboard will look like when you have signed up. So this is how your dashboard will be looking like. And if you have affiliate link, you can just paste it here and activate. Okay, so and receive your bonus. How do you deposit? You click on the deposit option. When you click on the deposit option, you can select either USDT, Tron, okay, you can choose USDT, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, Bitcoin Cash, USD Coin, Basic Attention Token, Ethereum Classic, Cosmos, Z, Jacqueline, Tether, Bitcoin, Ripple, Echo, Scadio, and the rest. Okay, take note, the minimum deposit is $100. And how do you also withdraw? You can go to wallet. You go to withdraw. When you go to withdraw, you will do your withdrawal. Okay, go to withdraw and click on the toggle icon and you withdraw your earnings. Okay, now, is this platform known as Promask real or fake? The answer is capital fake. Okay, the site is fake. Please take note, Promask is fake. Please take note. If you find this platform anywhere, or maybe you have been in this platform, you have interest in investing in this platform and you think is legit, my brothers and sisters, this platform is a capital scam. It's a fake crypto investment site. Please take note. If you want to know the real exchange, the real exchange should be Bybit. Okay, the real exchange should be Bybit, Binance, Bitget, Gethor, Mesh, and so on. Those are the legitimate crypto exchange. I'm sure you can analyze and the crypto market with and trade with. You analyze the crypto market with and trade with it, you make real money or lose money there. But this one that claims that they can trade for you, my brothers and sisters, there is no legit crypto platform that will trade for you. You take note of that. There is no crypto exchange, there is no real crypto exchange that will tell you that they are going to trade for you. Take note of that. You trade on yourself, analyze on yourself. How many of us knows as red wallets? What are they talking about? What's the name of this platform? Red wallet. This is exactly what this platform is. This platform is exactly like Red wallet. They will claim they will replenish your wallet with every hour with some token, with some amount. You will be earning money. How possible is this? All these things, they are automated trading. All these things are fake. Okay, if I tell you something is legit, is legit. If I tell you something is fake, is fake. Without wasting much of your time, whenever you are depositing money in this platform, you should bear it in mind that the money you are depositing is going directly to the CEO, and there is nothing you can do about it. If you place withdrawal and you don't receive your money, there is nobody you're going to trace. If you go through this platform, you can't find any traces. You can't find any traces. You can't find any trace. You can't find their location, and if anything happens to your money, no one to trace. And that's how your money will just go like that. So let's be guided. So don't allow anyone to deceive you. So I will keep saying this. Before you go to you join any platform, conduct your own research. Me, I will tell you my own. Before you join any platform, conduct your own research. My brothers and sisters, if you go and deposit $100 on this platform, you should know that your dollar has gone, your money has gone. Because there is no how you will make withdrawal and your money will get to you. Your money is gone. So if you are thinking of depositing money on this platform called Promask, run, because you are not. If you deposit and you are thinking of withdrawing, there is no how you are going to withdraw. Okay, please, I think this will be the end of the video. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, give this video a thumbs up, share to families and friends. God bless you. Thanks for watching.